guys, welcome back to Kizer channel. Today's topic is red. I'm going to show you all red Kizer knife this week. Let's dive in. The October features both multiple deployment options as well as a unique and practical ship's foot blade. On top of that, the finger trial and the handle shape are both ergonomic and highly functional. The Quatch is a truly bold design. When you look at the Quatch, the cleaver-styled blade, the choppy handle, everything is unique on this knife. The SwayBack is a button lock knife. The handle has a subtle SwayBack appearance. A satin reversible pocket clip makes this knife perfect for both left hand and right hand. This Begleiter is Mohairi's exclusive. The new Begleiter is a slender yet tactical EDC knife. Compared to its predecessors, which uses washers, the new one has used ball bearings for smoothness. Quality red micarta handle with golden pivot gives you comfortable grip. Here comes with the mini Begleiter. The blade shape has a perfect balance between ship's foot and one cliff, which is great for EDC tasks. The Mini Bay is a collaboration between Leeds and Azo. On this animated ultra-compact knife, there are a small snappy flipper, a finger trial, and a triple-layered G10 handle. Is one of the best and travel-friendly knives on the market. If you are into small knives or want to have a fifth pocket backup knife, the Mini Bay could be the one. After seeing all this knife, which one is your cup of tea? Leave your comments down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!